Welcome. To create new file in Python Jupyter, you should click on New, then select Python. New window will be open here. Near Jupyter, click on Untitled and modify file name. So enter new notebook name is file1, create on rename. So this is our first code, file1. This is the code line number 1 is written. So we will type here Python programming. So this line indicates code, okay, but this is not a code, okay. So we want text, so just click on mark down and then press enter. So whatever the string is written, that is converted in text format. For example, if you want to print in bold, then you have to simply put hash, then it will be converted in blue color, and then you come to the new line. So the first thing is why we learn Python, right? So one is Python is a popular programming language. Python is a popular programming language. Second one is Python can be used on a server to create web applications. There are many uses, but in first program just try to remember Python is popular programming language and Python can be used on a server to create web applications. Okay, so this is not a program, right? This is also text. So here you have to select markdown. Go to the new line, press shift enter. There will see one example, print or display string with single quote. Okay. What is this? This is also text. So select here markdown. Okay, we can say this will be our example 1. You can write here example 1. Press enter. Okay. Now to print statement, we use keyword as a print and write the string in single quote. This is famous word hello world. So we are using same statement, print hello world, right? And then press shift enter. So the string is displayed over here. The second example is example 2, print or display string in double quote. String in double quote. This is also not a code. Go back and change it as a markdown. Press shift enter and then print same statement hello world in double quote. Shift enter, right? So hello world in the first statement and hello world in the second statement, both are same. Next example is display multiple lines. Display multiple lines. You can say with multiple print. Multiple print statements. So right here print. Our first statement is hi, I am Rajesh. Right, second statement print welcome. Right, third statement print thank you. Okay, there are three statements are written and then press shift enter. So there are multiple statements are written as per our sequence, same sequences maintained here. One more example. Display multiple lines. I will copy as it is. Display multiple lines with single print statement. Mark down, shift enter, write print. Now here we have to go for multiple lines. So for multiple lines we should use triple quote. So our first statement is hi, I am Rajesh. Second, welcome. Third, thank you. And then press shift enter. Right? So here is only one print statement is used, but all three statements are written in triple quote. Right? So first statement is written in the first line, second statement in second line, third statement in third line. So same sequence you can see here. Next statement that we have to study, Python comments. Python comments. Okay. Single line comment. We should use hash. It will not execute the whatever the line is written in front of hash symbol. So we can write, this is my first code. This is my first code. This is string and not the code. So if you want to execute same like this, okay, it will print like this. This is my first code. But if you want to put same thing in the comment, then see how it look like. This is my first code. Okay, and this should be in comment. Then you can write here hash. Okay, and then press enter. So hash indicates that this line will not be executed. So nothing is printed in your output. But in the first line, hash symbol is not there. So your output should be like this. Suppose multiple lines are there, and if you have to put comments, then what we should do, right? So G Python multiple line comments. We should use hash, but we have to press Control plus slash. Okay, first you have to make this as a markdown. Write statement, this is my class. Second one is welcome in my class. There are two statements, right? And if you want to put comment, first you should select both lines and then press Control and slash. So both lines are commented. So in this way, if you have multiple lines, then instead of putting hash to each and every line separately, you have to select all lines and you should mark as a comment. Okay, so in this session we had studied why Python and few basic examples, how to display string with print statement, also how to put single line comment and multiple line comments. Thank you.